Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync video with audio beats. First, listen carefully to your music to grasp its underlying rhythm and tempo. This foundational step is crucial for successful synchronization. Next, pinpoint the moments in your video where visual action or cuts can powerfully align with the prominent beats of the song. Finally, employ your video editing software's tools to make precise cuts and adjustments, ensuring your visuals hit those beats perfectly. This creates a dynamic and engaging viewing experience. Moving beyond basic cuts, advanced techniques can elevate your beat syncing. Many modern editing applications offer beat detection or transient analysis tools, which can automatically mark significant audio events. You can also experiment with slightly altering video playback speed, perhaps by 1 or 2%, to achieve a more precise alignment with a challenging beat. Additionally, consider adding subtle sound effects that punctuate visual actions, reinforcing the rhythmic connection. Fortunately, you have many tools at your disposal to achieve excellent beat synchronization. Nearly all professional video editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, provides built-in features for analyzing audio waveforms and marking beats. For even greater precision, specialized audio analysis applications can generate detailed beat maps. Sometimes, simply using a metronome or a click track during your initial edit can provide a solid rhythmic foundation for your video. To truly perfect your beat synchronization, a few key practices are essential. Always listen to your chosen audio track repeatedly, internalizing its structure and nuances before you even touch your video clips. Begin with a strong vision for your video's story, ensuring the beat sync enhances, rather than distracts from, the narrative. Finally, dedicate time to meticulous fine-tuning, often nudging clips by just 1 or 2 frames to achieve that satisfying, seamless connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.